Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I was sent a rifle mount. This is a wall hanger for your rifle, sent to me by ProTech. They sent me another thing. I'll show it in a minute, but I wanted to show this first because I think it's pretty cool and I want to install it right now. It's a wall mount. You just screw this to your wall. And here is the mag holder. It's got a slot here, piece here. They connect together. And you put a screw into that. The two slots that connect together just to keep it from moving back and forth. That's pretty cool. Well, let's mount this thing and then I'll show you what else they sent me. And then we'll see how the old dreaded black rifle looks hanging on it. Found a place right here. I have to move my Jack Daniels picture. And I want to put it far enough up maybe here. What do you think? It'll look really good hanging by the deer, won't it? I think so. I think so. All right, there it is. Let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty damn good indeed. Here is the other thing that they sent me. It's the ProTech light. I played with this thing a little bit. It's 400 lumens. It brightens up enough space anyway. I like to have something a little better, but I don't. I also have a laser. That's pretty nice too. I like that a lot. I've installed the bipod. Plus I have the hand guard. Not hand guard, but the handle. Now let's see how this sucker looks. Looks pretty good. Definitely looks pretty good. Seems to be sturdy. This is one of my mags. Perfection right there, y'all. Perfection. I think that looks good. I think that looks very good. Oh yeah. Perfection. Alright, well that's about it. That's all I wanted to show. Got me a wall mount, a vertical wall mount for my SIG 556. SIG Tread 556. Anyway, I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy. Have a great day.